What's a cow say?
Moo.
What's a horsey say?
Neigh.
What's a kitty cat say? What's a doggy say? What's a monkey say? What's a bear say? What's a lion say? Rawr. What's a duck say? Okay, hold on. What's a piggy say? What's a piggy say? What's a piggy say? You don't want to do the same one? What's a piggy say? Oink oink. What's a ghost say? Boo. What's mommy say?
Mommy.
What's daddy say?
Daddy.
What's Harlan say?
Baby.
Baby. Can you say, hey baby?
Ababa.
Hey baby.
Ababa.
What else can you say?
Moo.
That's what that's what a cow says. What's a sheep say?
Bah.
Bah. And what's a kitty cat say?
No.
No. Kitty cat says no. What's a kitty cat say? What does Harlan say? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you blow kisses? Who is that? What's a fish say? Can you give the baby kisses in the mirror? Give the baby kisses. Turn around. Who's that? Baby?
Baby.
You're such a good boy. Say good boy. Say go Colts. Go Colts. That's right. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. That's not Pooh. Who is that? That's not Pooh. That's Tigger. Say Tigger. Tigger. Make Tigger bounce. Make Tigger bounce.
I'm gonna bounce. Bouncing's what killers do best. I'm gonna bounce.
Tigger, excuse me.
Bouncing's what killers do best.
Can you give Tigger a hug?
I'm gonna bounce.